Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Time check. Time check everyone is 4:09. 4:09 and today is Wednesday, 5 of Pebrero. 5th of February po today. And our weather for today is about 4%. Yeah, 4 degrees. We have 4 degrees today. So, medyo, ayan, as you can see, the road is wet. Slightly wet. Maybe because kagabi ay umulan pero hindi ko lang naramdaman. Kasi yung kotse sweating, basa-basa. Kaya samahan niyo ako sa umagang ito in 90-15 walks and one bus going to my work. Ayan lang everyone, parang narako na pilay-pilay na naman ako kasi too much cold. Yeah, sa umpisa lang naman yun, pero later on sanay na rin yung pa ako ulit. And then see you when I see you everyone. Kasi happy day sa ating lahat. Happy day to all of us. In Philippines, it's good afternoon. And then sa mga Bisaya, maayong buntag sa tanan. Bye at the moment, everyone. Malamig ang kamay ko. Time check. 10:05 ako nakarating. Bus ako. So, ayun. Mahirap talaga pag nag-bus. Masyadong complicated yung mga roadworks nila. Ayan, dito na ako sa bahay. Yan, may araw ngayon, everyone. Maalis ulit ako mamaya, mga 11:30. Everyone. I'm here already on the side. So, too early to go to the work. So, dito muna ako. Dahil it's 16. Ay, sorry. Dito muna ako sa tambayan ko. Ang kitchen ng second floor. Ayan. And time check is 16:15 lang. Everyone. So, that's it at the moment. See you later after 4 hours, everyone.
DJ Pems.
Ayun everyone, good evening. Twinning ulit kami. Ang watermelon. Nandito kami ni Sister Myren. Siya naman na nag-blow out ngayon. Yan o, Tesco Express. Choo! O, diba? Ang sarap talaga nito. Nakaka-addict. Oo, sa totoo lang. Okay, bye at the moment. Magsakay na kami ng train. Doon banda yun. Doon ang train station. Bye! See you when I see you. Good evening everyone. Ayan everyone. Uwi na finally. Makatapos din ng 4 na oras at 2 train. So may masasalubong ako kaya dito tayo dumaan sa malaking daan sa main road pag tayong dumaan sa pavement dahil ayun lang everyone. See you later on my dinner. Good evening everyone. Kain tayo. 9:23 na po. Time check. 9:23. While watching Tanggol everyone. Good night. God bless. I love you all.